Change? Oh yeah, big change. What is going on, drawittoo crew? Ramny here with a brand new video, and as you guys can see, this is not your regular tutorial or preview. This is actually an announcement video to let you guys know what's been happening in my life lately. For those of you who are eagle-eyed, probably noticed that last week I did not put out a video in the past few days of last week, and that's mainly because of one thing. I am back to being a full-time classroom teacher. For those of you who don't know, I am a teacher by trade. I taught for 8-9 years prior to sort of quitting and trying to do some online stuff. But recently an opportunity came up for me to teach at a prestigious school, so I have decided to take it because it is kind of selfish for me not to. This is one of those schools that's really well known, really well respected. A lot of people love the school and a lot of people would die to work at this school. So for me to be offered a teaching position at that school is kind of a no-brainer. So I'm very excited for this new career opportunity. But what does that mean for this channel? I want to declare it loud and clear that I have no intention of quitting this channel. It's just going to have to go through a few changes to accommodate my new career move. Obviously, because I'm going to be teaching for a huge chunk of my time, I will have to devote less time to making tutorial videos. So that will probably mean that I will only have 2 tutorial videos per week. That's sort of my goal right now. So yeah, don't worry you guys, I will still be making drawing tutorials for you to follow. Rest assured, I will continue making this. I want to push this channel. We're almost nearing 100,000 subscribers, thanks to all of you. And I want to keep continuing making good content. I want to continue the momentum that this channel has gained. And yeah, even though the production of this will slow down a little bit, I hope to make quality content, not so much quantity, but just quality content in the videos that I put out there for you. Just so you guys know, the past week has just been so exhausting. It was orientation at my new school, getting to meet all the kids and all that stuff. You guys may not know that being a teacher is exhausting. You're on your feet all day. And for me, when I got home, it's like I tried to make these tutorial videos for you guys, but I was just rambling, making nonsense in my videos. So I had to scrap those videos, and I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna take a couple of days to relax and to recuperate. I'm still recuperating. It is going to be challenging having a full-time job and then making YouTube content like this, but I'm up for it. I think you guys deserve it. I love being able to teach. It's one of my passions. And I also love making videos, making art videos and talking about like Marvel comics, DC movies, Marvel movies, all that stuff. That's all stuff that I'm passionate about. So I don't even consider this another job. I consider this just an extension of my hobbies. And as you guys know, I'm a big, huge comic book nerd, and I don't want to let that go. For those of you in the United States, it's also back to school for you. It's back to school for me. It's back to school for a lot of people in the next coming weeks. So, I mean, it's going to be big changes for everybody all around. Anyway, you guys, I hope I made that clear. Again, I'm not going to quit this channel. Don't worry about that. I'm going to continue making content. It'll just be fewer than before. So that's just that. I'm excited for this new teaching opportunity that I have. Just overall excited. It's going to be exhausting. It's going to be a challenging next couple of weeks while I try to figure out the logistics of teaching and making YouTube content consistently. That's going to be a little bit tough, but I'm up for it. I'm excited. I'm excited for a lot of things. So anyway, I'm rambling right now because I just can't contain my excitement. This is actually my second time making this video right here. But thank you so much for your understanding. If you guys have any questions about this career move or anything like that, just let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and find me on Facebook, Instagram, Google+, and on my website, drawittoo.com, where you can find coloring pages of the tutorials found on this channel. Thank you so much, you guys, and I will catch you in my next video. I'll see you next time.